what even is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is a self-hosted AI assistant you run on your own machine or VPS. And to actually power it, you connect it to an AI model like OpenAI or Anthropic using API keys. Now that sounds great, but let me show you what it actually looks like in real life. In most cases, the pattern is always the same. First, you install a skill, then you create a scheduled job for your assistant to perform, then your OpenClaw assistant performs the job and delivers you the result. For example, let's say I connect my Gmail account to OpenClaw by using a Google Workspace skill. Then I create this job. Ping me on Telegram when this specific client emails me. Include a one-sentence summary and a suggested reply. Now, instead of digging through my email inbox and potentially missing an email from a high-value client, I just get the summarized message when it actually matters from my assistant. Now let's say I connect a GitHub skill to OpenClaw. Then I create the job. Every morning at 9 a.m., send me the top 3 things in my repositories that need attention and tell me what I should do first. Now I start the day with a clear list instead of opening GitHub and trying to figure out where to begin. And here's one more. Let's say I connect a social media skill. We'll use x.com as an example. Then I create a job. Every morning, check the top trending keywords in my niche, pull the most relevant ones, and send me 3 content ideas. Now, if you're a content creator, you can use that info from your assistant to spot new topics and viral video ideas early. If you're a marketer, now you can easily track trending keywords for SEO and ads. And if you're just someone who's into tech or news, it keeps you up to date without having to scroll on social media all day. Now that you've seen a few real examples, here's the simple way to think about it. You connect OpenClaw to the apps you already use, like Gmail, Slack, Telegram, GitHub, or Discord, for example. Then you install skills and schedule jobs to solve real problems you deal with every day. And you let your assistant handle the repeat work in the background all on its own. And this is where it starts to feel different than using the ChatGPT or Claude apps as an assistant. Instead of juggling multiple conversations within their apps and constantly prompting the chatbot to do everything, with OpenClaw, you have one assistant that stays online 24/7 that can act on its own and gets more useful over time. And because you host it yourself, you control what it connects to, what it can access, and what you want it doing on a day-to-day basis.